Hello everybody. Dadas here, and it's time for the next daily recap with the Dadas trading system. And I'm streaming to you live from Dadas trading system Discord server, where I stream live every day from about 10-11 a.m. UTC plus 2 all the way until 11 p.m. UTC plus 2. So you are all invited to join me. The link to my Discord server is below in the descriptions. It's Dadas Trading Room Discord server. You can also find me on discord.me and somewhere else. Anyways, so of course you can find me on my YouTube channel and on my Forex Factory threads. All you have to do is look up Dadas at Forex Factory, and on my Patreon channels. Well, the daily recap for today is like this. The DAX 30 today made a pretty significant amount of pips. I mean, pretty much a standard 226 pips range, about 227 even. And since the beginning of the day, practically, it started going down. So in other words, the Dadas daily pivot here acted as resistance. The price first went down, retested, and then on the London session, and just after the opening of the London session, the price retested the Dadas weekly pivot, right? So, and then bounced off. So when it bounced off, I decided to go long, right? So my first decision was to go long. Now, the first trade, the price started moving up, and when it was moving up, I decided to move my trailing stop to some small profit. And on the second on this candle, everything looked pretty nice, so I wasn't trying to close it. However, on the second candle, the price almost immediately went down and took out my trailing stop. Now I decided to repeat the same position long because of the price action of that candle, right? So I repeated it, and again the price started moving up, and this time again it was in profit. It was like even 10-11 pips in profit, but then it stopped again and started going down. So this time I decided to get out of it manually without waiting for it to I didn't have time to trail my stop loss. I just got out of it, and it turned out to be a good decision because the market started going down. And also what we can see here is that the market definitely reacted at the same level as if it were going up, right? As if it were trying to show us that it would be going up. Well, it didn't. It got rejected immediately and then started going down. So was there a possibility to go short right there? I would say there was, right? I would say that there was a possibility like this, an opportunity right here. So basically, directly after I had closed that one, and the price came back right there and retested here. That's about when the price was going, or you could say the market was trading bearish right here. I could have gone down, but I decided that this situation was a little bit uncertain, so I didn't take this short, and then the market just ran away. I mean, there was another opportunity right here. Of course, there would have been an opportunity at this moment, right, to get in. So basically, when the price went down and respected, broke this weekly pivot, and then didn't want to go up, it was a pretty good opportunity to go short again, but I just missed it. I just wasn't looking, or I was just looking, like not very, doing something else and just taking a look from time to time at what's happening. So I decided to wait it out. So I waited it out. So the next moment to measure it out was right here, right? Right there was the next moment to measure it out. And maybe that's not, I mean, yeah, there was some price action here, but I didn't like it as far as a long was concerned. So basically the next let's say movement, let's do it like this. The next movement would have been somewhere right here. Yeah. And that's more or less what I was counting on, right? Maybe not. Yeah, that's more or less what I was counting on. And that's why I decided to take this trade, right? So I took this trade, and then the price moved up pretty nicely, and I decided to get out of it at 10 pips, even though it did reach my take profit after a while, right? It did reach my take profit over there, but I decided not to wait because basically of the time, right? You can see that it was like about 45 minutes before the end of the at least not the end, but yeah, I mean the end as far as the my spread would be concerned, right? Because then when the hour closed, the spread got wider as it always gets. So yeah, so that's what I did right here. Like I said, I wasn't waiting too much. Was there any opportunity, any other opportunity? Well, I don't know. Maybe not. I mean, from this perspective, we could have been looking at it from this perspective. So, the price broke out, retested the level, started moving up. So maybe I could have even taken this long a little bit earlier. But then again, you said somebody can say, yeah, there was some price action right here, those three candles, but yeah, there was the same price action right here, also three candles with a long wick. Yet the market didn't go up but went down. So it's not so much about the price action of these three candles, but what happens next, basically. So right here, what happened next was the price broke up and started going up. What happened here? The price broke down and started going down, right? So that's about the difference. It's not so much about the price action pattern than it is about what the price does directly after that price action pattern, right? Okay, so yeah, I guess there is not much else to talk about today. Basically, not a very bad day, practically a pretty nice day. Whether this was luck or what, well, I don't know. Like I say, I watch the price action, not only in the sense of watching the candlesticks, but I also watched what the price is doing here and now. Even though I don't see the price lines here, the ask and bid lines, I don't turn them on. I still I would have to reset that. You see, yeah, here are the ask and bid lines. I normally turn them off, but when I have my trade running and I click the OT button, open trades, that I see my trade on the charts and I see what's happening with it, right? And that's the way I can read the current price action of the chart. Well, to some extent, of course, not. not to any super extent, because we never know. Sometimes the price might fool us and then go all the way up, or go down like here. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks a lot. Please like, please subscribe. Like I said, I post my videos on my YouTube channel. I post them on the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and I post them on my Forex Factory threads. You can just look up Dadas at Forex Factory, and I also post my videos on my Patreon. Now, what's the deal with the Patreon? Well, you can do it through Patreon, or do it directly through my PayPal. Also, the links are below in the descriptions. If you choose to support me in that way, you will become a VIP on my Discord, on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and in that way you can accumulate money for all my services that I offer to you. So basically, there are two ways. You can either make a single payment, right, and get my support and the whole system with my support, right? I will then devote my time to you and help you set up all my system and explain everything to you, what the purpose of each indicator is, and how the whole thing works. And of course, you'll get my support, and that's what the Discord server is for, in order to be able to get quick support. And of course, you can do that by a single payment, or you can do that by accumulating money over time. Of course, then it'll take time, obviously. Okay. Anyways, thanks a lot for today. Please wash your hands, wear your masks, be careful, and stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye.